I'm here with Dr. Hideaki Nagase from Oxford University. I have a few questions for you, sir, today. Firstly, what is your impression of Amrita University, and more specifically, Amrita School of Biotechnology?
Yes, I think biotechnology is, of course, an important area. Here at Amrita, not only developing the technological aspect and with the strengths of computer science and the classical discovery and Ayurveda, for example, but the important thing is I feel that how to help people, because eventually every technique has to be translated into help people. So that underneath spirituality is harnessed in this technological unit, which is unusual too, which I'd like to see many other universities in the world try to learn from this approaches.
What is your opinion on the future of biotechnology, not just in India, but also globally?
Yes, well, I feel there is a lot of advantages making things easier and easier. And for example, prosthetics of arm can be robotically made. The robot can do everything for you. And also the discovery can be done by computer analysis and etc. And challenging for the biological system. However, again, when the technology develops, where the human is the very important question. So that's the concern I have. But at the same time, I think we have to carry on what we can progress in the future. There are lots of problems, still more basic problems, which can be through the development in the past, one can start developing even better. And that sort of things I like to see, and not necessarily specifically what those areas are, but that's bound to help the people. And but we have to be advanced quickly, but we have to be careful as well. That's the sort of the view I have about biotechnology. It's a lot of hope, yes.
What advice would you give biotechnology students today?
Yes, it's a big new area, but it always has to be based on a strong foundation. So important basic things like physics, mathematics has to be very strong, and then how to apply them. And the technology quite becoming available faster and faster. So you have to be aware of once it's advanced, what's the peak, what's the forefront of the technology. That's always have to be aware of in the future. But I think the basic principle of science is still most important part. So I like to advise them to master those.